Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. That is a feather that I liked okay, but it wasn't making me happy well enough for me to be inspired to go back to it. And because I have scraping tools now and permission to just have some fun, I think I'm going to just have some fun. And I should be telling you the colors as I go along. Let's start with the electric blue from Arteza. And that's an island blue from Anita's. Here's a pink diamond from Color Art, Prism Pour. I'm going to have to be careful with my lighter colors. I'm not ready for them yet. I'm not ready to make green. I'm going to find myself some purple. That is Anita's White Metallic with some pink in it. That's Purple Flash from Folk Art. This is my recent favorite Amethyst from Artist Loft. This is my other Artist Loft favorite. Amethyst is not what it is. It's Cobalt Blue. So I figured since someone mentioned that my last painting to them resembled feathers, I might as well give myself permission to have a feathery effect. And I might like to either call it the background, or I might add marks and make it something that looks like feathers. I might even add color over what I've got right now. I have a turquoise. There we go. I love this color. Every time I get a spatula full of paint color that I like, knowing that the colors I have won't make mud means that I can take a chance and move the residual that's on the spatula back into the artwork. It's time for some of that Venetian blue. It is fun playing with a spatula. I definitely recommend it. I've got some Decor Americana. You guys can always ask me what you saw me use too. If I can help you, I will help you. I didn't put any gold or silver in there. I'm not super thrilled yet. I think there's some hot orchid coming my way. Whoops. Some very potentially cell-making hot orchid, because that was not shaken. I think it's time for some more electric blue. I don't have any white metallic in there. I kind of like the pink. Lots more. It's the most useful. Seriously. Do I have any? Yes, I have some Prussian blue, which is what I want right now because I want something really dark. I don't know why I'm trying to save the feather. I really don't want to. I think I'm going to use a little cell activator. I think I'm going to use a little bit of this mysterious too. Now, if I'd hurry up and cover the feather, I could scrape out. I hate to put down more colors after I see that I have cells that I love. It makes it really hard to want to continue. If I'm going to cover that feather, I'm going to have to do it really soon. Where is my dioxazine purple? I think that's what I've been missing. Probably could have used a little silver. Oh, I like that. Now I don't want to. Now I don't want to save the feather anymore. Well, nobody said I had to. I can always do another feather. Feathers aren't that hard. You should look at my playlist, all playlists, created playlist to find feathers. If you're interested in feathers, just search the word feathers. I keep moving my. There we go. That's the white. Oh, we finally got some rain. We've been waiting for rain. I can't tell you how long. That's the cell activator. I think I just got rid of something I liked. I'm loving some of these colors. Are really pretty. And I see that I have some feather. Showing through. And I'm really tempted to use my mark making tool, but I really like what I've got and I'm nervous I'm going to ruin it. Oh dear. Let's just have at it. The colors will still be there, right? Some of the cells. I just have to stop myself before I go too far. I think that is the trick. And who's to say what's too far? I like tapping the paint off in my little dish. Let's have a look at this another way. Well, I thought I was in danger, but I'm feeling a little safer now. I don't know if that's appropriate or not. I think I'm going to keep what I've got, though. I'm not going to throw the spatula back in there, cover anything. I seem to have naturally morphed to the place where I'm not messing up with the level of paint, the layer, the heaviness, the thickness of paint. I think that might have been it right there. She does one more mark. Yes, okay, well, I'm going to show it to you from my angle. Some of that feather's still in there, creating an interesting textural background. I suppose I could do a little more. Don't need a lot more. Could have had a little more black showing, I think. Like so. I know, I said I was done, but I'm never done until I'm actually done. It's a problem. I like the black. And I don't want to ruin this. But that's not hurting anything. And I like that too. That one I'm not so sure about. Okay, I think you could take something like this and you could probably put blooms in here, but that's not what's going to happen right now. At all. So I have over 2,300 videos. 2,200 of them are organized on playlists that you can see, and the other 100 are coming up. There might be more by now. I'm rather prolific. I post 7 days a week, so you have a chance to... I really like that showing through. That's pretty cool. So you don't need one of my toothy tools, but I will link the tool making video tutorial underneath the video. The spatulas are Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and they're on my Amazon link, and they're invaluable. Along with my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which is also pretty invaluable. And no matter what way you look at it, I've got some beautiful cells and some gorgeous colors. And the only thing I'm missing is orange, and somebody in the audience is going like, where's the orange? There it is. Just sort of integrate it ever so slightly. So there's just the tiniest bit, which is all that I really want. As she adds a whole bunch more. No, I don't like that one. But I will when I'm done playing with it, I'm pretty sure. And if I don't, I can always fix it. So it's not quite so dominant. Maybe one. I need 2 more to make 5. One, 2, 3, 4. Maybe just another little drop right in there. I thought that was going to be purple. Alright, I'm done. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week at 1 p.m. right now in the afternoon. I used to post twice a day, so I love it when you share my videos, when you make comments, and when you give me a thumbs up. That all helps my channel's survival rate on YouTube, so thank you very much. When you shop my Amazon link, you help me buy art supplies eventually. And help the production of tutorials, video tutorials. This was fun. I think that just means if you have an interesting pattern that you weren't super satisfied with, but you liked a lot of things about it, then it's still a potentially useful tool. I could put some black in here and be very happy with it, but I've got some showing through. I can't wait to see this dry. My email address is under the link tree. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my Legalers clothing made in Montreal, which is investment quality, my brand new Society 6 store. Oh, what else? Probably all kinds of other things. My website, pixels.com, and Find Out America, and Instagram and Twitter links also. Anyway, if you want my paint pouring recipe, it's under the video. Click Show More. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, please inquire using the email address below the link tree. You might have to open Show More theme going on. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. If you would like to help keep me painting and enter yourself into the monthly drawing, you will get an invitation to join the monthly drawing, where you can have the choice, if you're the winner, of one of the paintings that you can see included at the beginning of the exhibition video on the end screen of this video in the last 20 seconds. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and it's a fabulous place to shop. And anything you buy on Amazon helps me purchase art supplies eventually. It's someday maybe. Anyway, thank you for your comments. You can please ask questions if you'd like to. Under the video, you see spring clothing, which is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and a lot more stuff. And if you can't find what you're looking for and you'd like a reproduction of, or something, a design of mine printed on anything that I offer at findoutamericapixels.com or spring clothing, you may ask me. You may put a request in, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I will add those things if they're not there already. And if they are there somewhere, then I'll give you a link. Just use my email address. I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.